Hello everyone, welcome to ISC Sims Today Kitchen. Myself Ashish Kumar Singh, and today I am going to prepare fish puttanesca. So fish puttanesca is from Italian cuisine, made with puttanesca sauce. So let's look into the ingredients. So we have white fish fillet, parsley, tomato, onion, olives, chili flakes, dried oregano, white wine, olive oil, garlic, pepper, salt, capers and anchovies. So let's start blanching our tomatoes. So now we are going to blanch our tomatoes. So now we are slating the tomato. While blanching, we will start our chopping with garlics. So our tomatoes are blanched. So now let's remove it and we'll keep in the cold water to stop overcooking. So now we are cutting onion. We'll cut it finely. So now we are skinning the tomatoes and we'll fine chop it. We will proceed with same. So first we will deseed the tomato, and after deseeding we'll fine chop the tomato. So now I'm cutting the blanched tomato for the puttanesca sauce. Tomatoes are chopped, and now we'll start with the cutting of olives. So now we'll start with the preparation of puttanesca sauce. So now first we will heat the pan and we'll add the olive oils. Let the oil heat, and after heating the oil, we'll add the garlic, then we'll add the onions. So our oil is heat and we'll add the garlic now. We will saute our garlics until it's changing its color. As you can see, our garlic is changing its color. At this stage, we'll add the onion. We will cook the onion until translucent. Will not cook until brown. So you can see our onions are getting translucent. At this stage, we'll add anchovies. So now we'll add the anchovies and we will mix it well. It should be well combined with onions and garlic. After cooking for a while, we'll add the tomatoes. So now we'll add the blanched tomato. Cook it until it gets mushy. So now we will add some salt to it. After adding salt, we'll add some pepper powder, some dry oregano, and we'll give a good mix to it. So after sauteing for some time, we'll add the water and we will simmer it until it gets saucy in texture. So you can see the texture. And now we will cover it and we'll simmer it for some time. So now let's check the texture. As you can see, our tomatoes and the sauce of the texture is changing. Let's check the texture. Okay, now we will add some chopped olive, some capers, and chili flakes. We'll stir to well combine. Again, we will cover it and we'll cook for some time. So let's check once. Yes, you can see the texture, it's changing. After reducing, we'll add some wine and we'll reduce it again. So let's check. Now we will pour the white wine to it and we'll reduce it. After reducing the wine, we'll add some broth to it and we'll add fish and we'll simmer for 5 to 7 minutes and it will be done. Let's pour the white wine to it. We'll pour some water. Now we will add fish. Now we will cover the fish with the sauce and we'll cover it and we'll simmer it. We'll cover it and we'll simmer it for at least 5 to 8 minutes and it will be done. We'll add some parsley to it. So now check our piece of the doneness. It is almost done. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes once again. Cover the fish nicely with the sauce. Slow down the heat and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see our fish is cooked and now we'll plate it. You can see the texture and the doneness of the fish. So now our fish is completely cooked, and now we'll start our plating. So let's garnish with some parsley. Now we'll add some olives to it. Now we will add some microgreens to it. So plating is done, and now we have to clean the plate and we'll taste it. So our fish putanesca is ready, and now it's time to taste it. Yes, so our fish is completely cooked and it's too tasty, and I recommend you to try it at home and just enjoy the taste. So thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in culinary arts, you can visit IIScM Pune, where you can develop your future.